So I just cashed out $259,000 worth of stocks for my new home. And it's an amazing feeling to be able to finally get on the property ladder. But I will say that it's been a real pain to sell my stocks in really great companies such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. So I've got a lot of mixed emotions there. But I'm also thrilled to finally buy a house and have a place of my own. And I thought, what now? I've basically given up a lot of my future gains in order to buy this home. And at this moment in time, I really want to figure out a way on how I can rebuild my portfolio and get back to that $259,000. So, started a brand new channel. This is the Dad Needs Dough. And a quick disclaimer, although my channel is about my investing journey, this is purely for entertainment purposes, and it's just to show everyone what my journey is like in trying to reach my goals. So my strategy right now is to try and make more smart plays in the stock market, try and be more frugal in my life so that I can invest more, because I'll be investing the most expensive resource I have right now, which is time, which I've also given up a lot of in order to buy my new home. In between all that, I'll also do a little bit of baking. Why baking, you might say? Well, if you bake your own bread, then you're saving a little bit of money there. And also, it's just a hobby that I like to do outside of work and family time. So first things first, I've decided to open up a brand new brokerage, and I've chosen a Robinhood account just because I can buy fractional shares, and especially because I'd like to invest more into ETFs as well as individual companies as well. So just to start with, I'm going to put $100 into this account, and I'm just going to buy a little bit here and there of ETFs such as VOO, and obviously some of the big tech companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. Buying a little bit of time. Honestly, it's going to be a bit like feeding a sourdough starter for the first time. So it's going to be small, but it's the momentum that counts. So I hope you join me on this journey just to see how far I get. I'm honestly looking at trying to get gains of $259,000. Let alone the portfolio being that size, and also the money I invest adding up to $259,000. I think I'll get there, but honestly, it's the time and how long it's going to take to get there. I think back to the stocks I sold, and I've held them for a number of years. So I know I can do it. It's just, can I do it quickly? Can I not? What else is going to happen? Will there be expenses that I have to take into account with the new home? Lots of things like that. So many things to think about. And yeah, if anyone also has any advice to give me on this, I'll be happy to take it on board. So thank you for watching if you watched this far, and I hope to post more videos soon. All the best.